Had this Dyson vacuum forever. It works great. I had it for 3 years, something like that. Which one is this? I don't even remember which model it is. I think it's the V11. Anyways, works great. The filter comes out when you need to change the filter. It's easier with 2 hands. The charger pops out. Just carry it around. Super easy to empty.
You put this on me?
In a second. Just take it over a trash can. Open it up. You did. Empties all out. Yeah, gross.
Ew.
And that's good to go. Battery's not the longest lasting thing out there. But it cleans really well. That's good. Attachments come off very easily. Just pop right here. Slide them off. See right here. Slide it off. Super easy. Make it a shorter little guy. Looks great.
I love this machine. It feels like a quick file for the floor. Absolutely amazing. Comfortable, convenient, excellent.